Assalamu alaikum viewers. Once again we are going to start a short English sentences with Urdu meaning. The first sentence is when did I say? मैंने कब कहा? When did I say? मैंने कब कहा? Keep it there. ये वहाँ रख दे. Keep it there. ये वहाँ रख दे. Keep it there. घूरो तो नहीं. Don't stare. Don't stare. जरा एहतियात से. Be careful. Be careful. इधर आना. Come here. Come here. कहाँ देख रहे हो? What are you looking at? What are you looking at? What are you looking at? ये बहुत सादा है. It's quite simple. It's quite simple. ये मुमकिन नहीं. It's not possible. It's not possible. काफी नहीं. Hard enough. Hard enough. वो थका हुआ है. He is tired. He is tired. मैं नहीं बैठ सकता. I can't sit. मैं नहीं बैठ सकता. I can't sit. वो जल्दी में है. वो जल्दी में है. He is in hurry. He is in hurry. वो मजाक कर रहा होगा. He must be joking. He must be joking. क्या आप मजाक कर रहे हो? Are you kidding? Are you kidding? बस वापस आओ. Must get back. Must get back. इसे पैसे चाहिए. He wants money. He wants money. आप मजबूर नहीं कर सकते. आप मजबूर नहीं कर सकते. You can't force. You can't force. मेरा ख्याल है. I think so. मेरा ख्याल है. I think so. क्यों नहीं? Why not? Why not? क्या हुआ? What happened? What happened? What happened? दोबारा जरूर आना. Must come again. Must come again. दोबारा मत आना. Don't come again. Don't come again. मुकाबला सख्त है. It was close contest. It was close contest. माज क्या करता है? What does माज do? What does माज do? कपड़े निचोड़ दो. Wring cloths. Wring cloths. मैं इसे इसकी मुंह पर कह दूंगा. I shall say this to his face. 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 मैं थक कर चूर हो गया. I am dead tired. I am dead tired. अब कोई रास्ता बाकी नहीं. अब कोई रास्ता बाकी नहीं. There is no way left now. There is no way left now. कुछ गड़बड़ है. Something is fishy. Something is fishy. घबराओ मत. I am out of town. मैं शहर से बाहर हूँ. I am out of town. I am out of town. मैं रोज घर का काम करती हूँ. I do house chores every day. मुझे रोना आ रहा है. I am crying. I am crying. गाड़ी एहतियात से चलाइए. Drive carefully. Drive carefully. सुबह जल्दी उठा करो. Get up early in the morning. Get up early in the morning. आप बहुत अच्छा बोलते हो. आप बहुत अच्छा बोलते हो. You speak very well. You speak very well. सोने का वक्त हो गया. It is bed time. It is bed time. तुम्हें खाना पकाना नहीं आता? You don't know how to cook. You don't know how to cook. बहुत ही आसान और उम्दा पकवान. बहुत ही आसान और उम्दा पकवान. Very easy and great dish. Very easy and great dish. Thanks for watching. If you are new and my YouTube channel, to please subscribe my YouTube channel.